All right, well, I just did an example of how to have a color on an object changing smoothly over time. And then I realized that I did a really bad example because I did it, probably 20 times more complicated than necessary. See this thing here? This is working, but all of the nodes below this point are basically completely unnecessary. So let me get rid of those. I will just make myself big enough that I can grab them all at once. Okay, those are gone. So let me explain what we have here that actually is needed. So we have these 6 nodes at the top. Those are generating a random color. You've got 3 random floats from 0 to 1 packing into the RGB values of a color. Alpha is always 1. And then every 5 seconds, this timer here fires and writes that random color into a color variable, which is right here. And I just have a thing displaying so you can see what the color is that's in the variable. And I had all that logics below to make the color of this cube change slowly over time to match what's in the variable. And then I realized it's all totally unnecessary. So instead of that mess of logics that we had, all we need is a thing in one of these categories called the smooth lerp. So we take the smooth lerp for its target. We take the target color out of the variable. Its destination goes into the cube there. And we give it a time to say how fast we want it to change. Say 1. There. That replaces my, 40 or so logics nodes that I had to do the same thing as a smooth lerp. That was pretty dumb of me. So, yes, fading to a different color over time is very simple as long as you remember to use the smooth lerp node instead of recreating it yourself from simpler logics nodes.